Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. In today's video I am organizing and decluttering the game closet. It used to be a linen closet and then went to a baby closet that had all the baby things in it, and then it changed to a toy closet recently, but then I changed it to a game closet.
That's when you're gonna start to see better lies and better times of history. I'm telling you, everyone needs to care around the world, everywhere about the way we like it to be. I'm telling you, now's the time to define who we are, draw the line and make it like we want it to be. Who's gonna be there to put up a fight? Who's gonna turn all the wrongs into rights? We're waiting for a miracle. Who's gonna stand up and give us the truth? Who's gonna make it better for me and you? Guess it's gonna have to be us. The walls are gonna tumble down. You'll be happier without them around. And the music that we play is gonna make a sound that's strong enough to lift us off the ground. I'm telling you, everyone needs to care around the world, everywhere about the way we like it to be. I'm telling you, now's the time to define who we are, draw the line and make it like we want it to be. Who's gonna be there to put up a fight? Who's gonna turn all the wrongs into rights? We're waiting for a miracle. Who's gonna stand up and give us the truth? Who's gonna make it better for me and you? Guess it's gonna have to be us. Who's it gonna be? Who's it gonna be? Who's it gonna be? Who's it gonna be? Ooh, guess it's gonna have to be us. Who's it gonna be? Who's it gonna be? Who's it gonna be? Who's it gonna be? Yeah, guess it's gonna have to be us.
I didn't edit Luke out talking to the camera because I thought it was so funny. He's talking to the camera like he's explaining what he's doing next.
Who's gonna stand up and give us the truth? Who's gonna make it better for me and you? Guess it's gonna have to be us. Guess it's gonna have to be us.
So this Yeti in my spaghetti game, I don't know if you guys have noticed, but like the cutout that's in the front always like allows the spaghetti pieces to come out and they end up everywhere in the closet. So I finally realized I needed to just get some tape and tape the front and then the inside so it's like this little barrier to where those will not fall out anymore. So I fixed that while we were at it. hope you guys enjoyed enjoyed my video today. If you did, please leave it a big thumbs up. It helps my channel so much. And also please subscribe if you have not subscribed yet. I would love to reach 100 subscribers very soon. So please help me do that by clicking the subscribe button, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!